Hi there, this is a quick video showing you how you can use my Salon Business Bundle spreadsheet. So first of all, at the very beginning, this is the Read Me tab. And here, once I'm done with this, it'll have the link to the video. The next tab is the overview. So there's just a few charts that will show you, this is your annual income. It'll show you by month. You can put your mouse over it. It'll show you what your income is for the month. As you fill it up, you'll have more bars. This will give you your sum of your total income. This is your total annual expenses. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can see this a little bit better. Oh, zoom back in, sorry. All right, this is a profit goal. You can just put in a number here. This you can do. Everything else really you can't really mess with because these are all formulas and this comes in automatically from a different place. So here you've got your income versus expenses. So this will show you all of your income for the year versus how much you've spent for the year. This will show you your total annual income, adds up everything on this section, your expenses, everything from here, how much you spent on tax, and then total net, that's how much you actually made. This will show you the month. You can change this by year, just whenever another year comes through, but this will add up everything from your income and expenses for the month. Let me zoom back out again. Here we go. All right. So this is your actual bookkeeping section. I'm having just a hard time with Zoom today. Okay. So what we could do is this little column, just leave that alone because that's just a bunch of formulas. That helps everything from the annual overview to go in correctly. So let's just put in a date. So let's just start with February. We're going to just say we're going to do a service. We've got an income here, choose here, and then your title, your description, your income. So let's say it was 45, cost you 250, tax of 450. There's your net. That's going to add up everything here. You can also put notes as you need to. Going back to your overview, now you can see you have something on the board for February, and this is showing up as well. So that's good. All right, so this, I will tell you, these two things work on its own. They do not communicate with everything else down here, so you are aware. This is an inventory checklist. This is the main one, just to give you an idea. This one is completely blank. And so you can put in your name here, your address. You can change this as well, however you want. This will add up everything that's the value from all of the different sections here. Okay, so entryway. So say we've got, indoor sign, whatever you want to do. If you bought it, yes or no, check it off. Quantity, so say I have two of those. I bought them for $10 each. Now you've got a value of 20. Once I did that, your inventory value went up. So you've got entryway, tools, equipment, replenishables. We've got products. Now this stuff is kind of things that you may, just have and you're not going to reuse. This one is more of paper towels, gloves, snacks, etc. You can put your brand in here so you remember, and if you need to remember if it's in stock or not. And you've got other products here, and you can add to it as you'd like. All right, now let's switch these back over here. We've got a whole section underneath the entryway. We've got a whole section for nails, hair equipment, and shopping list. You can customize this however you want. This is your salon. If you just do nails, if you just do hair, however works for you. And then we've got another cute section for nail polish. That's right here. So you can kind of see if we zoom way out. You can see it's got like all these different sections the way I've got it set up. And then your products, it can go down as far as you want. So there's a blank inventory checklist. If you want to print this, you can file and then print. It's going to be a little tricky because it's so big. So I've got it fit to width. You can do a custom number if you want. So if you can go down to like 45 or 40, let's see 90. Yeah, so that would be a little bit tricky. I think 70% is probably a good place. So you can print it out if you want to. We've got order tracker. Okay, so again, this does not communicate with your transactions log, but it just is. So this is a place where you can put orders, so you can remember, hair and nails, what sold, if you sold whatever sold, you can put in 1, cost of 10, sales price of 45, discount 0. There's your net profit. You've got customer information, date of service, and notes. Total profit, that's going to add up everything from here. Put it there. Quantity sold, that's going to be added up here. Price list, if you want to, put your, you've got your shampoo, I can spell it right today, and you've got your, favorite brand, shampoo, 25, whatever. And you can do this, and you can also print that out as well. So that's how everything works. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I appreciate you guys, and have a good day, and good luck in your salon.